Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to manage interaction on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can manage your interaction on Facebook, but you don't know how. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can manage your interaction on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into your home page. And then once you are in your home page, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner to proceed. Once you tap on it, you need to scroll down and look for the settings and privacy. After that, tap on this drop-down icon beside it. And once you tap on it, select the settings. And then under the settings and privacy, you will see here the preferences and also the audience and visibility. You can also see here your activity. Under your activity, tap on the activity log. Once you tap on it, you can scroll down and you will see here the interaction. Tap on this Manage Interaction. And then in here, you will see here all your interaction with Facebook. To manage it, you can tap on this, for example, and you can remove it. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage your interaction on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage your interaction on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.